Hey guys, I thought it would be nice to discuss a programming language called Lua. I believe that this is better for beginners in comparison to other programming languages like Python, because Lua has easier syntax and less keywords to learn. So, if you want to install Lua, there are 3 different ways to do it. The first way is to go to just the official Lua website, and they have information how to download it. This is a regular Lua, and it's not very fast, but you can also download it from LuaJIT, which makes Lua faster. And then if you want to download the Roblox type Lua, you can download Lua. And yeah, this is what it is. It has some extra features like this. But today I'm going to show you this Lua. So at least we have LuaJIT. So we're going to use that for now. So we're going to go into Visual Studio Code. This is the app that I use for text editing and code editing, and we're going to create a new file. So I'm going to do Lua, tutorial.lua. The file format is .lua, obviously. So now, I'm going to start out with one important thing, variables. Variables store information. You know, A is hello, and B, and you could also have numbers. But Lua has one unique variable type called a table. So a table, you can store stuff like this. You can make hello, 5, stuff. And you can basically store a list of things, but at the same time, you can actually make something called a dictionary by going like this and saying hello equals 5. And you know, you could do by is 10. Now if you actually want to display this information, you know, you gotta somehow display it. And to do that, we use the print function. When you do print, you can print something out, and then let's say we wanted to run that. So I'm going to type in LuaJIT, and then I would type in tutorial.lua, and there we go. We have something printed. Let's say I wanted to print B, I could type in that same thing, 59. Let's say I wanted to print C. Well, that shows the memory location, but you know what I mean. So now, let's move on to functions. All that functions do, they just let you store information in. So to declare a function in Lua, you go like this. Functions are meant to store code. Function add. Let's see what we want to add two numbers together. We can go like this, and then make that function. Oh, sorry, we don't use curly braces here. We use a different syntax. We use end, and then in between we put return a plus b. So we can do stuff like that. We could also do a divided by b, a times b, a minus b. You get the point. So let's say we wanted to run this. So we're going to say print add 2 and 2. So we're going to LuaJIT tutorial.lua. So yes, that's how functions work. That's pretty much all of Lua, but there are some extra features, you know? What we can do, we can use a loop. So, let's see, it can be something like this, or something like this. And loops there are 2 different types. You have the while loop, and you have the for loop. So the while loop repeats something while it's true. And at the same time, a for loop, what it does is, wait a minute. What a for loop does is it can scan through things like this. So let's try out a while loop. Now, let's say I wanted while true. And let's say we wanted to run that. Now that's going to spam Lua's cool, and I just want to stop this process, okay? So good, because if I ran that for long enough, I would have crashed the computer. And then it detects if the value changes to false, and it will stop running. So like, yeah, guys, if you read this, the for statement, I think you can read. I think you can see the for statement has 2 variants: the numeric for and the generic for. Blah blah blah. I think you can pause and read this. Now, and last thing I want to mention: every programming language has this if statements. Let's say we had A as apple. B as banana, and then we wanted to check if they're the same. Of course they're not, so if we ran if A is B, I also just realized this is what if statements are supposed to look like. So I want to end this video by mentioning Lua Rocks, which is a place where you can get where people can get packages from each other. Packages are just pieces of code that people can reuse to make projects simpler. So, interesting. They have a way to make websites. Let's see if they have a game development tool. Ooh. Yeah, it's all pretty cool. And also, Lua is... Bye.